So you're probably wondering to yourself, what the heck is this thing? Today at BladeOps, we are checking out the Ovalmoon Swivel by Boker. This is a sweet little compact piece. Fits nice right in the palm of the hands. A little texture to the handles that are made out of aluminum. And the biggest thing is these little pieces right here. Little magnets that keep the handle together. You just rotate it around like this. Keeps it nice and locked in place. Cool little sheep split blade on there. It is made out of D2. I love how D2 is kind of becoming the standard blade steel on a lot of your starter knives and simple carries. Fantastic steel with edge retention. Love this little piece. It has a sub 2-inch blade, 1.85 inches to be exact, and 4.5 inches overall. So super easy to add to your everyday carry arsenal. So make sure to get yours today at BladeOps.